Hi friends, welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about backdoor entry jobs. Okay, so what are the backdoor entry jobs? Is it safe to get backdoor entry jobs or is it bad to get backdoor entry jobs? Okay, so we are going to discuss on this concept because nowadays, almost all people are trying for backdoor entry jobs, but people don't have clear concept about backdoor entry jobs. Okay, if we get the backdoor entry jobs, is it safe to lead here there in organization, or what are the problems, what are the advantages, and what are the disadvantages? So, is it a punishable offense or not? We are going to discuss about those points in this video. So, before starting the video, if you're not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel so that we start the video. So let's get started here. What I made some key points here so we can discuss about that. So is backdoor entry is good? Okay. So backdoor entry jobs can have both advantages and disadvantages. So and whether they are good or not depends on the various factors individual perspectives. Here are some considerations. So first we discuss about advantages. So but before starting, I just want to tell about advantages. I want to request you, or I want to say you, don't go for backdoor entry jobs. Okay, so this is punishable offense. But having concept about backdoor entry jobs is just like a awareness. Okay, I'm not saying you about to get the backdoor entry jobs. So I'm just revealing the secret or revealing the concept about backdoor entry jobs here. So advantages of backdoor entry jobs is networking. So backdoor entry often involves using personal connections or recommendations. It can provide an opportunity for individual to leverage uh, their network to access job opportunities. Speed. Backdoor entry can expedite the hiring process. It may bypass the lengthy and formal application process, allowing for quicker start in the new job. Knowledge transfers, that is KT. Hiring through recommendations or connections may help ensure that the candidate is well suited to the organization culture and values, which can lead to a smoother integration into the team. So, reduced competition. Since backdoor entry positions might not widely advertise, there may be less competition for these roles. So these are the some disadvantages of backdoor entry jobs. Fairness and transparency. Backdoor entry can be perceived as unfair or biased. It may be not provide equal opportunities for all candidates because if the person who has studied and trying for interviews and putting a lot of effort to get the job can able to lose the position in organizations because back if the another candidate fill that position using backdoor entry job and the real experience and what the person putting efforts hard efforts can lose those positions in organizations. So this can lead to resentment among those who are not connected to the right people. And skill and qualification mismatch. Hiring through personal connections may not always guarantee that the candidate has required skills and qualification for the job, potentially leading to a mismatch. So legal and ethical concerns. Some of the organizations have strict policies and strict regulations against backdoor entry jobs. Such practices can raise legal and ethical issues. Means, if the organization is having some strict policies and rules and regulations, if we join there using backdoor entry job, and if we caught in future, okay, so the organizations think that they can make some the things like FIR, or they may put us on blacklist. Okay, so this is a punishable offense. Okay, so for that reason always do not try for the backdoor entry jobs. So this is very strict policies some of the organizations having. Okay, so in the sense, if you are paying some money to the consultancies and getting backdoor entry jobs, after entering into the organizations, you don't know whether the consultancies and the companies having what kind of relations. Okay, so in that situation, they may remove you. Okay, by just raising some of the invalid opinions. they can have rights to remove you. Then you lose your job also and money also. This is what the thing is. And next, long-term success. So the long-term success of backdoor entry depends on the individual performance and fit within the organizations. If the candidate is not good to match, it can lead challenges down the line. So ultimately, the perceptions of backdoor entry jobs depends on the context and the specific organizations. While they can be valid way to access the job opportunities, it's important to consider fairness, transparency, and the long-term impact on both individual and the organizations. It's advisable for employers and the job seekers to balance personal connections with a commitment to hiring based on merit and qualifications to ensure fair and equitable hiring process. So this is what the thing what I made here. So if you like this video, kindly like it and share it. And so my request is, do not enter using backdoor entry jobs. Those are shortcuts. Okay, put a lot of effort, you will get your dream job, but it might be delay to get the dream job, but 100% sure that you will 100% sure you will get your dream job. Do not go for backdoor entry jobs. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I will be with you with some more new concepts about ETL testing related videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care, friends.